In this video, I will be showing you how to make Gamma AI generate exactly 10 slides for your next presentation. Let's get started. Starting on the dashboard, I'll click the Create New AI button at the top of the page. Next, I'm going to select the Generate option to build a deck from a single prompt. I'll make sure Presentation is selected. Then I'll click the card count dropdown and choose 10 cards to set the exact length for my project. In the prompt box, I'll type, "Create a presentation about how artificial intelligence works." With that ready, I'll click Generate Outline. As Gamma generates the structure, I'll scroll down to review the points. You can see at the bottom it confirms 10 cards total, which is exactly what we asked for. I'll take a moment to scroll through the full outline to make sure all 10 sections look right. Everything from machine learning to the future of AI is included in the list. Moving down to the customization settings, I'll keep the text concise and stick with the blues theme for the visuals. Now that everything is set, I'll just need to click on the Generate button at the bottom to finish the process. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make Gamma AI generate exactly 10 slides.